My mother registered me at primary school with one spelling of my name, but on the official registry, my father filed a completely different spelling. Like many Jamaicans, I went through my entire childhood completely unaware. I only discovered the error years later, right when I needed my official documents to move forward as an adult. Looking down at that paper, my immediate reaction was confusion. I had no idea what to do, so I simply folded it up, shoved it back in a drawer, and ignored it. I accepted the mismatch because I didn't know which spelling the government considered legally correct, and I didn't know how to begin fixing it. Millions of us are walking around with mismatched identity documents. We live with these errors because the official process to correct them is rarely explained. There is a dedicated government tool built to solve this problem, the NIRA correction form. You might still know the agency by its former name, the RGD. It fixes typos in your name, a birth date off by days, or an incorrect gender marker. Completing it does not require an attorney, and you won't have to attend a court date. You have the authority to correct the government's record and claim your identity without taking on a significant financial burden. The biggest hurdle is often the very first step. You download the NIRA form, see a 10-page packet, and may feel intimidated by the length. The packet functions as a toolkit. You only complete a few specific pages. The others are reserved for instructions and checklists based on your specific situation. Page 1 is the baseline snapshot. Its only purpose is to record the details exactly as they appear on your current, incorrect birth entry. You will copy over the exact name, date of birth, parish, and hospital currently recorded on the paper. You will also provide your current mailing address, so NIRA knows where to send your corrected certificate. That completes page 1. It is a diagnostic snapshot that requires only the information already found on your current documents. Page 2 is the statutory declaration, the core of the entire application. You use this page to clearly state what is currently recorded incorrectly and what that detail should properly read. This page must be signed and sworn in front of a justice of the peace. As shown here, you do not need a lawyer to validate this document. Justice of the Peace services are free and accessible in communities across Jamaica. Once the JP stamps this document, your paperwork becomes a legally binding request to update the civil registry. Pages 3 through 9 consist of checklists for gathering supporting documents. These lists identify the specific early life records required to validate the correction you are requesting. For most applicants, the most effective piece of evidence is a childhood immunization card. Because school systems mandated these for enrollment, most citizens have one in their archives, making it a reliable record of your identity from an early age. If you cannot find that card, the checklists provide alternative options, such as your first primary school record or a christening certificate. These pages provide the path for locating the specific records NIRA needs to authorize the change. The final active step is page 10, the family tree schedule. The mother or a family member lists the children in the family in chronological order of birth. As illustrated, NIRA cross-references this list against their own parish archives. This check verifies that your family history aligns with existing government records before they update the registry. Page 10 acts as the final verification, ensuring the correction matches the established historical record. Once you combine the completed form, your JP signature, and your supporting records, your submission is ready for filing. When NIRA approves your application, they issue a new birth certificate. This document includes an official legal annotation along the bottom margin. This annotation resolves the clerical error, matching the official registry to the identity you have used throughout your life. Do not let a clerical error sit in a drawer for another decade. Visit dhubservices.com for free step-by-step guides, or to have our team handle the filing process for you. You have the ability to correct these administrative mistakes. Take the step to ensure your documents accurately reflect who you are.